Welcome to the FlexScreen retention clip install training video. First, let's get familiar with the two sides of the clip. The hard plastic side is perfectly designed to click into place over the FlexScreen frame, and the soft side compresses to hold the screen firmly in the window frame. Now let's take a look at the two sides of a FlexScreen. Notice that one side has the mesh attached to it and the other side does not. We are going to be working with the side that does not have the mesh adhered to it. To start, place your screen mesh side down on a solid surface. With the compressible side facing up and the larger curved edge of the plastic side facing the inside of the screen, push the retention clip down onto the FlexScreen frame. Now, rotate the clip upward until the plastic piece is cupping the frame completely, and the compressible piece is facing up on the outside of the frame. You should feel a slight click when the piece moves into the correct position. Please note that if the clip will not rotate, it has been installed backwards. In that case, simply turn the retention clip the other way for proper placement. For recommendations on how many clips to use and where to put them on the frame according to your window style, please contact your FlexScreen representative or email info@flexscreen.com.